To invest on Cash App, start by opening the app and tapping the Investing tab, which is represented by a graph icon. From here, you can browse the available investment options, including stocks and Bitcoin. Before you begin, make sure you have a verified account and are at least 18 years old. To verify your account, go to the Profile tab and follow the prompts to provide your name, date of birth, and social security number. This is a one-time process that helps protect your identity and comply with financial regulations. Once your account is verified, you can add funds to your Cash App account by linking a debit card or bank account. You can also receive money from friends or family members directly into your Cash App account. To invest, select the stock or Bitcoin you want to purchase and enter the amount you want to invest. You can invest as little as $1, making it easy to get started with small amounts of money. Cash App also offers a feature called dollar cost averaging, which allows you to invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, reducing the impact of market volatility. When investing on Cash App, it is essential to understand the risks involved. Investing in the stock market or Bitcoin can be volatile, and you may lose some or all of your investment. It is crucial to do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cash App also offers educational resources and tools to help you make informed investment decisions. You can access these resources by tapping the Learn tab, which provides articles, videos, and tutorials on investing and personal finance. To minimize fees, consider investing in stocks or Bitcoin with a long-term perspective, rather than buying and selling frequently. Cash App charges a small fee for each transaction, so it is essential to factor this into your investment strategy. Finally, keep track of your investments by monitoring your portfolio regularly. You can do this by tapping the Investing tab and viewing your current holdings. Cash App also provides real-time market data and news, helping you stay up to date with market trends and make informed decisions. By following these steps and best practices, you can start investing on Cash App and take control of your financial future. Remember to always do your research, set a budget, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. With Cash App, investing is easy, accessible, and affordable, making it an excellent option for beginners and experienced investors alike.